Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a virtual walk and show you the beautiful landscape where I live in and how it makes you feel living in the winter wonderland. So, make sure you watch my video till the end. Don't forget to leave a comment and press the like button if you enjoy my video. I would really appreciate it. It snowed a lot for the past few days. I can barely see my car anymore. Oh my god, it's covered with snow. Snow is very thick and high at the moment. See how high it is? It's almost as high as me. Oh my god. Well, I was gonna try to jump into it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Cool. Good morning guys. You know what? Yesterday it snowed a lot. Very a lot. So now let's take a look how it's gonna be like outside. I bet the view is really good. I'm excited. Okay, let's see. So nice. Look at this. How you guys like it? It's really good, right? Oh my god. All white and we have sunshine here. Whew. See?
do you guys like it? It's not so cold actually. Well, it's around 1 degree at the moment because there's lots of sun here. The sky is also really blue and very clear. Well, we don't really get too much sunlight here, but when we have, it's really beautiful. We need to seize the day. Jealous. Ada yang lari em. Nah, kalau di sini, if there's someone, we pass by someone, we usually going to greet them with Jealous. Grüß Gott oder Guten Morgen, einfach so. They have a really nice manner here.
Well, anyways, now I wanted to show you a small village called Hittisau from above. It is located in Bregenzerwald in the province of Vorarlberg, west of Austria. Winter, the temperature can reach to minus 14 degrees. Since there are usually a lot of snow here, people from all other European countries will come here to do winter sports like skiing, sleigh riding down the slopes, and ski running. That was the view of this village from above. How do you guys like it? Is it amazing? Of course. Well, I do hope you guys enjoy it and see you on my next video. Ciao!